Welcome. In front of me I have ALCATEL OneTouch Go Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. To enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device, we need to open the ALCATEL OneTouch Move application on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on this icon right here to open the device page. Wait a couple of seconds until the watch is done syncing with our phone. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, find the Do Not Disturb mode option. Tap on it. And as you can see here, we can enable it by tapping the switch. And what the Do Not Disturb mode does is basically it will turn off the vibrations on the watch during the specified time, rather. Once you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you will get the time frame, as you can see, and we can adjust it. We can tap on Start to set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode should turn on. Let's set it to something like 8:30, for example, like this. Then tap OK. Now we can tap on End Time and set it to 10:45, for example, and then tap OK. And now the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on 8:30 and turn off at 10:45. Once you're done, you can go back, and of course, to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap the switch again. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.